In this video, we're going to be looking at the inline customization of lists and grids. We're going to be looking at how we can use a technique called inline customization to allow us to customize a list very easily, and how it can be used to add a column to a list or modify the layout of an existing list or grid. And we'll be thinking about things like controlling the allow order by property or show heading property, and we'll look at all of the information that allows us to understand what's being changed. So let's have a look at what we're dealing with here. We're going to see, and here you can see that I'm looking at the opportunities search screen inside Sage CRM. And I can change the layout of the result grid very simply as the system administrator. Pages like this are built from a set of screen and list definitions within metadata. And we're going to change the columns in the result grid. If you look here, we can see that I've just highlighted the grid. And that's part of the screen that I want to focus on changing this particular video. To do that, I need to go into the System Administration screens, and once there, I need to select Customization, and then Opportunity. And if I want to change the list, I need to go onto the Lists tab. And here we're presented with a list of all of the lists defined for the Opportunity entity. But there's a question, how can I know which list is the one that I want to change? Sage CRM makes it easy for us. I can turn on Inline Customization and then return to the Opportunity Search page. And now I can see that the hyperlink is there that enables us to customize the list. And I can click this. And a pop-up list appears, allowing me to monitor the name of the list for future reference so that I can see that it's called the Opportunity Grid, and I can also change the columns on the list. I can move these columns into new locations, and I can decide whether they should allow order by or not, and I can change the show heading or hyperlink properties for the columns. And there are other properties such as scripting and custom content that I can set for the columns and lists. All these are covered by other videos. And as you make the changes, you'll need to click the Update, Remove or Add buttons as you work with the columns. And clicking Save will commit the changes to the database. And then the new layout of the list appears. We just need to then return to the admin screens to turn off the inline list customization.